Episode 21. Thought we'd do something a little funky junky. Yeah, a little TommyT style. Still remember the first time I saw him do this. I was like, yeah, I gotta learn how to do that. It just looks like a whole lot of stuff going on. And when I first started trying to do it, I looked like that. It's terrible. Had to learn to take it in bite size. Now, this is what it looks like if you haven't seen the Funky Junky. If you're linking with your right hand, it's a side punch to a circle punch off one rebound with your right arm to a downward elbow with your left arm, right? You're like, oh, what? You said so what? All right, so it goes like this. Side punch, circle punch, downward elbow to link. Side punch, circle punch, downward elbow to link. Nothing to it, right? Yeah, it's extremely complicated. It's okay, we can break it down. All right, so the first thing that I had to learn when learning this trick was that I wasn't real good with this redirection thing at all, especially underneath my arm like that. So what I kind of figured out was that if I just stop the ball and kind of learn a side punch to a circle punch, which is terrible, but side punch, circle punch, 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 side punch, circle punch. That right there is what is going to happen underneath your arm. So, again, if we're linking, we're going to do that side punch, circle punch, and then let it hit the back of our arm as it just falls down. Okay? So you're just going to hold this arm over your shoulder. As you're linking, you're just going to reverse. You're just going to, oh, my shoulder itches. That's it. And when we do that, we're just going to go, oh, yeah. So, linking to, oh, my shoulder itches, oh, yeah, and down. Nothing to it. Got to make sure you can do it with the other arm too, you know. So we're doing it this way. Now we're going to go back with this side. That's all it is. Oh, my shoulder itches to some, oh yeah. See, you're just letting that little side punch to that circle punch. Sorry. And then you can piece them together. The Funky Junky, I say, is one of my favorites that I see TommyT do. Guy is amazing at it. Funky Junky. Hope y'all enjoy that one.